tayo, lahat ng kasamahan nyo, including ang CEO at yung abogado, sinabi na meron daw kayong 281 na reserve at 150 na surplus. Sabi nyo, CEO and attorney, para sabihin, ang assets nyo, cash and non-cash, ay 1 trillion. Pakipaliwanag.
Yes po, ma'am. Mr. Chair. Again, ito yung members equity po. Ang backup po niya yung ating assets. Now, sa total assets of 628, yung investment po natin, investment po. Kasi ang ating asset ay classified into two.
Quiet mo na or pakinggan
Ah,
muna natin kung gusto lumabas na lang muna yung magsasalita dyan.
Maraming salamat po. Again, ang ating asset po ay dalawa po to. We have current and non-current assets. Now, on the part of our investment portfolio po,
Ilagay sa screen.
mayroon pa tayong papakita natin doon. Papakita natin. Papakita natin doon. Sige. Ma'am, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, again, dalawang klase po yung ating assets, current and non-current assets. Now, as mentioned by our PCEO, the total investment portfolio, 489, dito po siya nasa asset po. So, ibig sabihin, our reserve and our surplus, ang backup niya ay ang ating assets. Now, sa asset po nito, malaking
489.
Opo,
assets. And these are current assets.
Investment portfolio po yung
Kaya nga,
489 po.
489.
Opo.
Investment portfolio.
So,
Ibig sabihin, ito po ay cash na ini-invest po ninyo para ini-invest po nyo sa bangko, sa financial institution na meron pong interest. Tama ba ho?
Opo.
Okay? So,
I-breakdown
meron
po
kayong-
natin, ma'am.
Ano po?
I-breakdown po natin.
One question lang. Anong
Sige.
kinukonsider mo ba ang PhilHealth as negosyo o medical insurer?
Health insurance po tayo.
Health.
Opo. Very clear po sa amin na health
Paintindi
insurance.
sa mga kababayan natin. At pangalawang tanong, saan nyo kukunin ang inyong working budget for next year na 200, how much is that? 280? 281. Saan nyo kukunin dito sa sinasabi ninyo?
Opo, the source of our 284 corporate operating budget sa year 2025, estimated direct contribution of 203 billion, investment income of...
Direct contribution, ito yung amin. Amin to.
Atin po, atin.
Atin yun,
Opo.
kaltas sweldo natin.
Opo.
So, yung sweldo natin, ito yung sa working budget ninyo next year.
Opo. Kasama
Nakolekta na to, hindi pa?
That is estimated po.
Estimated pa, kukolektahin pa.
Sa
Okay.
2025 po.
Out of 283, magkano?
284 po. 203 ay estimated.
Yung 81, saan nyo kukunin?
Ang, again, yung other portion, my investment income estimated at 20 billion, Mr. Chair. And the difference of 48 ay kukunin natin siya doon sa surplus. Sa surplus na siya. 48 billion yan.
So may pagkukunan kayo?
Opo, may
Okay.
Can you
pagkukunan
assure
po.
the public na makukuha to?
Yes po, Mr. Chair, Honorable
Yung,
Ricardo.
yung 30th anniversary, saan kukunin? Hindi nyo pa sinasagot.
30th anniversary
Yung
po,
gastos nila sa 30th anniversary.
kasama po siya dapat sa COB 2025. But,
Saan nga kukunin doon sa pondo na yon?
Anniversary. The board approved the 323 for the stamp.
Saan nga kukunin doon?
323,000.
Doon kukunin sa inyong working budget itong
Okay.
gastos sa anniversary. Doon kukunin.
Mr. Chair, as discussed kagabi sa House, that 323,000 galing sa 2024 extended validity. Yun muna yung in-approve po ng management and ng board.
Magkano yung expected, bigyan ko kayo ng chance naman to explain. Magkano yung expected or projected niyo ng gasto sa anniversary ninyo? Magkano?
Mr. Chair, The initial proposal ay 138 billion proposal.
Initial.
Para saan yun, Mr. Chair?
Anniversary nga, ma'am.
Anniversary po.
Anong anniversary?
Oo.
130 million pang anibersaryo?
Saan nyo kukunin ito?
Ano gagawin nyo? Una, saan kukunin at anong gagawin nyo sa 130 million pang anibersaryo nyo?
Mr. Chair,
Anibersaryo pang bigay ng additional package.
Hindi anniversary celebration, ma'am. Ang tanong ko lang kung saan nyo kukunin ito. Sa part ba ng working budget ninyo kukunin yung 138?
Mr. Chair, ito po ay again proposal pa lang
Proposal.
siya.
Kaya nga,
Pag
kung matutuloy
na-approve siya
ito,
ng
saan
board,
kukunin?
ay kukunin siya sa corporate operating budget
Sa
sa
part pa rin
admin,
ng working
team
budget
OOH.
ninyo.
Yes
Oh,
po.
ilang pasyente ang matutulungan yan? Yan ang pinapakompute ko sa inyo.
Baka naman pag, let's give them the benefit of a doubt, Mr. Chair, anniversary budget, 30 years na sila, 137 million, 138
Opo.
million.
Sabihin mo nga, sir.
Siguro naman, hindi naman yung Christmas party or celebration. Siguro naman hindi biyahe. Siguro naman hindi pagkain ng mga officers. Siguro, ito ay pagpalaganap ng mga package. Di ba po? Ano ba yung 138 million?
Ma'am,
Eh,
Mr. Chair.
Oh, ano ba?
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Pakisagot lang, no?
Yes.
Yung 138 million, saan gagamitin at saan ang gagaling? Tapos balik sa tanong ko na yung 600 billion at 431 billion, hindi pa rin maliwanag kung pareho ba to o iba po.
Mr. Chair, we'll just explain very quickly, just for the purposes of to expedite the discussion. What was approved by the board and what was decided in PhilHealth already is the budget for the 30th anniversary was brought down to a few 100,000 pesos only. So maybe we can just, to clarify everything, there's nothing, there's no hundreds of millions, there's no millions. So just so that we can continue with the discussion, please.
Yun ang tinanong ko kanina at sabi mo you will explain it later.
Yes.
So nauna nyo pong sinagot yung mga tanong ni Senator Ligarda kaysa sa mga tanong ko na hindi pa rin nasasagot until now. Pakisagot muna.
So just to answer nga very quickly, Mr. Chair, we are only planning to spend a few 100,000 pesos for 30th anniversary. Yan lang po, wala pong mga excessive spending
So ibig
po.
sabihin,
Just to simplify the discussion.
projected pa lang ito.
Actually, may mga proposal,
Proposal.
but
Pero
with this,
Hindi pa natutuloy.
So good.
Hindi
Thank
pa,
you
hindi
for
pa,
asking
hindi
that.
pa natutuloy.
You're spending a few hundreds of thousands, but we see on the board, it is not consistent with what the CEO is saying. It's 137.7 million. What is this? An invention, a proposal of some brilliant person? Buti na lang, merong nagkontra at may board. Ano ba ito? Gala night. Gala night. And Sports Fest, 32 million and 13 million. Habang ang dami-daming nangangailangan ng healthcare. Anyway, erase na ito. Who's the smart person who
yeah.
gave this?
Mr. Chair, this was endorsed by a group inside PhilHealth.
Sino
So,
yung grupo? You have to name the group because you have to enlighten that group. Kung hindi po dinis-approve ng board ito at hindi kami nanunood sa inyo, walang oversight function ang Senado, ang Congress, you could have because you're a GOCC. We don't watch you every day.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, Madam,
Sino po ang brilliant na nagbigay nito?
we have an anniversary committee.
Sino po ang head ng anniversary committee?
The anniversary committee po is headed by Mr. Ray Balenya po.
Yes. Can that person, please, not now, don't waste our time, give a memo to the chair of the finance committee of the health committee on why the person and the group thought of using 137 million of PhilHealth funds for giveaways and a gala night.
Yeah. We will submit, Your Honor. We will submit it within the day to Congress. No?
A sports meet
2 years to the Senate.
for 32 million and a gala night with PROs, I hope it's at GROs, at 13 million. And a gala night with HOs for another 4 million, blah, blah, blah. And, okay. And umbrellas for 7.9 million? What's this? Special tokens and umbrellas?
Senator Lauren,
Ma'am, to
may lang
simplify
po,
the
no?
discussion, all of those.
Kaya nga, projected o plano niyo lang po, kaya ang tanong ko lang naman po sa inyo kanina pa, Kung sakaling natuloy po ito, ilang pasyente po ang makikinabang dito? Ilang pasyente po ang naghihingalo na matutulungan dito? Ilang buhay pa po ang masasalbar dito?
Yes po.
Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, dito sa ating panggobyerno, parati isipin natin, konsensya.
Back to the 600
Thank you.
billion. Yung mahiwagang 600, kasama ba ho ang 431? Iba pa po. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, the 628.2 billion is the total assets. Kasama po dito ay ang ating investment portfolio po of 489 billion po. And ito po ay composed of the following. Nasa special savings deposit po, Land Bank and DBP, a total of 104 billion. And a big portion of our investment portfolio, 76.70% ay 375.4 billion pesos government securities. And we have the corporate bonds of 10.1 billion pesos, that is 2.07% of the total 489.5 billion po. So dito po nakapasok ang ating investment, and ito po ay available natin na investment siya and convertible into cash. Pangangailangan mo ng korporasyon na magbayad ng benefit payment po natin, ito po yung ating gagamitin po,
Okay.
which is back up doon sa ating reserve.
628 billion. Cash, ito po yung 49.9, almost 50 billion. Ito po yung nakadeposit sa government institutions, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Investment in time deposit, pareho pa rin sa cash and cash equivalents and investment in time deposits.
Opo.
49.9 and 71.5. Tama po?
Opo.
Ano yung cash equivalents? Ano yung 49 kung hindi po time deposit?
Opo.
What are these?
Cash in cash equivalent po, kasama po yung cash in bank, and then the special savings deposit.
Wag tanggalin nga, binabasa ko po eh. I don't wanna see our faces there. Pakilagay po ulit. Sino nagtanggal? Bakit pa tinatanggal? Pag binabasa ko, tinatanggal. Pakibalik. Please naman po. Iniisa-isa ko, tapos tatanggalin.
Ibaba mo na yung bag mo.
Okay po. So, the cash on hand, not in time deposit, is 49.9 and time deposit is 71. Receivables is 112. Receivables from whom? From members? Ano po yung receivables nyo? 112 billion.
Receivables, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, receivables from national government, NGA, of 77 billion.
No, it says here po 112.9 billion. 2024.
Opo, 112 po siya. A breakdown po yung binabasa ko ngayon.
The breakdown. Then
Opo.
say so. Because I cannot read your phone. Sir,
Opo.
pag nagbabasa po ako, iba po yung sinasabi nyo, so I get confused. So,
Opo.
you could kindly say it on the mic because
Opo.
we're recorded.
Opo,
Thank you.
thank you po.
So, of the 112, what's the breakdown, sir?
Receivable from national government, this is 77 billion. Receivable from direct contributors, 52 billion. Accrued interest receivable from investment of 6 billion. Of course, this is 130 billion more or less, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda. And allowance for impairment, pinabawas po natin, is 24 billion po. So that's the net of 112.9
Okay.
billion.
Ano pong ibang current assets nyo? Very broad ang nakalagay po. Ano yung 1.6? 1.68 billion. Ano po yun na current assets? If it's not cash or time deposits. Water. Can you ask them to bring water? Thank you.
Other
What are these
assets, Madam, Mr. Chair,